Hello, welcome to this first class in my Into Animation series. If you're new to 3D character animation, then it can be quite exciting, but also a little bit confusing. There are principles to learn and acting and performance to understand. And then, on top of all of that, before you can even start your first character animation exercise, you need to master a complex piece of 3D animation software. This class is designed to teach you the software essentials that you need to get started in animation and give you a solid foundation to build on throughout the rest of this series. My name is John Knowles. I'm a character animator and animation director, and I've been lucky enough to work in children's television for the last 15 years. Throughout my time in animation, I've had the chance to mentor many animators. But it's exciting to be here on Skillshare, where I can now share my knowledge and experience with far more people than ever before. One of the first questions that most animators have is, which software application should I pick? Now, I've used pretty much every piece of software out there throughout my time in the industry, but I always recommend that new animators start out with a 3D application called Blender. Blender is free, which is great when you're just starting out, but that doesn't mean that it doesn't lack power. In fact, it can create pretty much anything that you can imagine. But with that power does come complexity. Fortunately, as a character animator, you don't need to know every feature within a piece of software. So what we're going to be doing in this class is just teaching the essentials, everything you need to know to get started in animation, and give you a solid foundation to build upon throughout the rest of this series. Even if you've never opened a piece of 3D animation software in your life, by the end of this class you'll have created your first 3D animated scene and you'll be ready to go on and learn character animation with confidence. Let's get started.